Of the night held its breath. A muffled sound broke the silence, a rhythmic, guttural rumble. It echoed like a distant train. Eyes sealed tight, a creature of soft fur journeyed through mysterious landscapes, each snore a note, a signal from another world. Panic jolted her awake. What lurked behind those furry arms? Was this dreamer safe? Heart-hammering, she leaned closer. She shook him gently. Dreams turned to nightmares, a frantic quest to awaken the sleepy beast. But he bolted, eyes wild, under the bed. Fingers danced across keys, unraveling the enigma. Feline dreams? Sleep deprivation? The digital chorus fueled her worry even more. From the outside, a neighbor's gaze carried uncertainty. Was this frantic search a cry for help, or merely a misunderstanding of sleep? Knowledge unfolded before her. The weight of understanding scattered the dark clouds. It was time to intervene, to bring tranquility back. A plan took shape, bright and vibrant. Calmed chaos promised quiet nights, soothing dreams dancing on the edges of fading worries. The dawn crept in gently. A calm melody filled the air, breathing peace into the space. Whiskers stretched, soft purrs resonating. Dreams twinkled like stars in the hidden corners of the heart. The small creature nestled beside her, a puzzle of joy slowly unfurling. The echoes of worry dissipated with the morning mist. In soft slumber, the once frantic spirit found solace in gentle mysteries. The tiniest secrets cherished, the smallest mysteries unraveled. Together in this sweet quietude, they cherished every beat, every purr.